Does this look familiar? Is this an everyday occurrence for you? Hours and hours at a computer? I have just a solution for you. I'm going to show you how to use a therapy ball or a tennis ball to alleviate this wrist, forearm tension, and I'll also go over a few simple stretches that you can use every hour on the hour to make your work experience better. Time for a break. Take your therapy ball or tennis ball, put it directly on your work surface, and simply go from wrist to elbow. Roll the ball through the muscles. Feel the tension as you're rolling through. If you want to put more pressure on, simply stack your hand over top, and it also gives you a little bit better control. And it just feels phenomenal. So that's number one. Number two is the stretches. So every hour on the hour, you're going to stretch your wrist flexors, and you're pulling your fingertips back towards your elbow, and you're pulling with maybe 15 or 20% of your strength. You're not yanking it back. Simple hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Go in the opposite direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You'll switch sides. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is super simple. You can use this every day, and I encourage you to do it on the hour, every hour.